trade replay, in-depth analytics, and so much more. And the greatest part about TradeZeller is that it's all automated. All you have to do is connect your MT4 and MT5. It will pull all your data onto the dashboard. You can add playbooks, you can just add notes, you can add images from your trades, and you can get the insights that is necessary for you to progress as a trader. Now, TradeZeller is for absolutely everyone. Whether you're a crypto trader, whether you're a Forex trader, whether you trade prop firms, it is for absolutely everyone. And that is why thousands of traders have signed up using my link here through the podcast. Make sure you use the code RIZ10 for 10% off your monthly subscription, or WOR for 20% off your yearly subscription. The link is in the description below. And let's get back to the episode.
I mean, you've got to give things at least a few weeks or a few months. Whatever you think. I mean, ideally in trading, for the way I learned in my experience, realistically, you're looking for between 1 and 6 months. Mm-hmm. Anything shorter, you may get lucky, but you got to give things time to play out. But also, you have to trading and investing are two different things. Mm.